In today's video, I want to introduce you to Otio AI, your smartest AI research assistant, and show you how you can use this tool to carry out most of your daily tasks. Otio AI reads PDFs, watches YouTube, drafts contracts, summarizes, answers follow-ups, generates graphs, and more, all in one place. So, if you are looking for an AI tool that can assist you to read, watch, and explain everything for you automatically, then this video is for you, because Otio AI handles PDFs, YouTube videos, contracts, and many more in just seconds. Once again, welcome to Ray Creators Lab, where I bring you all the latest AI and online tools that you need to streamline your daily workflow. And in case you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please ensure that you like and share this video. How do I get started with Otio? Now, if you are wondering how you can get started, that's easy. Simply follow the link in the description of this video, and you'll be brought to Otio's website. Click on Get Started, and you'll be required to sign in with your Gmail or any other email, and immediately, you'll be brought to this interface to start with all your tasks. That was easy, right? What can I do with Otio AI? Otio drafts full reports, contracts, and agreements in minutes, so you don't have to. That's how fast it is. Otio lets you pick from GPT-4o, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, and more to match the task you're working on. No trial and error, just results. So I asked Otio to compare Apple's stock with the Magnificent 7. It pulled data, plotted a clean graph, and even made it interactive. One prompt. Done. Otio pulls key insights from long videos. No more note-taking. You just ask questions. It saves your time, and you learn faster. I don't waste time reading PDFs line by line anymore. Otio reads for me, explains it, and even lets me ask follow-up questions. Those are some of the ways Otio AI can help make your tasks simple without you having to do much. What are you excited most to do with Otio AI? Let me know in the comments section. In case you have any AI tool you would want me to make a video about, also let me know. So I'll encourage you to try Otio now. Just follow the link in the description in this video. Besides, I have compiled some AI tools that creators like you are using. Check them out in the link I have provided in this video too. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button now. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you can be among the first to receive my videos when I make them. See you in the next video.